Yo, good morning. Sorry I haven't been posting for a while. I try to get this element done. I've been working on it for the last couple weeks. Trying to fix all the dents, make sure everything. I'm trying to give it that $10,000 paint job on a $5 budget. Oh, my glass is fogging up. So I'm going to get started on that real quick. I'm just going to put you guys down, let you guys watch, because I have a lot of work to do. All right, so I wanted to give you guys a quick update. I know you guys see me spraying it. The color looks a little weird because it is. This is a 2026 Honda Passport color, which is sunset orange, which is the same sunset orange that's on a 2003 Honda Element. Now the difference, which is kind of weird, but bear with me. The difference is that the 2003 Honda Element Sunset Orange, it has silver metallic with pearl, which that paint is extremely expensive. For half a gallon, it's $400. I mean, that's kind of expensive. But a 2026 Honda Passport Sunset Orange, I think the color code is YR something. I forgot it. I know it's YR. This is only $160 for half a gallon. So, and I told, this is actually my sister's car. I did tell her that I will be changing the color. Now, two things is going to happen. Being that it's not metallic, it's going to be an easier paint job. It's going to be easier to paint. Metallics, usually when you spray those, you kind of, if you're not good, like myself, I'm not good whatsoever. I could just do enough to get the job done. You can leave tiger stripes. I have painted metallic in the past. It just takes me a lot longer to make everything is perfect. So that's why I went this route. And plus, when I matched the colors up, they look the same, but actually the 2003 Sunset Orange is a little bit darker, as in a little bit darker brown. So I had a half a pint, and I just took it up there with me when I went to get the paint, just to see the difference. And the actual 2003, it's a little more browner, I guess because of the pearl and the metallic. But the other ingredients are exactly the same. That's the only difference. But I think I'm gonna be happy with this. I mean, it's not 100% perfect. Like I said, I can do some body work if it's small little areas, but doing a whole car, yeah, it's still the same thing. You could do a little bit areas here and there, but if you do a little bit of area here and a little here, this might be perfect to you, and this might be perfect to you. But when you put them together, it was wavy. so it's not perfect, but it's going to get the job done. To paint this less than $300 is, I believe, is a good deal. Even if I would have went to one of these. Now, if I would have went to any paint shop around here, the minimum probably $2,000, $3,000, and that's just probably in labor. So it's a win-win for both of us. So once I get this dry some, I'm gonna go ahead and tack it again, and then probably put another coat. And my glasses is fogging up again. It's humid out here. So let's get back on it. All right, so that's pretty much it. The camera shut off actually quite a few times. I didn't think it was that hot, but it started beeping like it was hot. So that was it. So let me show you guys what I have, and I still got a lot of work to do. Well, there she is. She's okay. Let's see, I got wet sanding to do. Like it was drying when I was spraying the clear coat. Like it was drying really bad, especially on this side. It looks like rhino lining almost. But I kind of dig it. I still got mirrors to do. I got the spoiler in the back to do. I think I'm gonna paint that. I'm not sure, color match it. I'm not sure, just to change it up a little bit. But wet sanding, still have a ton of that to do. And I believe she has wheels and tires already for it. The next thing I think we should replace is the plating. This one, the rear bumper, we might could salvage that. And This one probably needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna recommend to replace those because it's gouges down there really, really bad. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to get close out the intro, or the outro, but I just want to let you guys know. Actually, I got done about 2 hours ago. I cleaned up, went in the house, took a shower, laid down. I'm about to go lay back down. But until then, please guys, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.